Good morning, class. Today we will discuss here a new interesting topic, sequence and series. What is the sequence? What is the series? What is the progression? What is the arithmetic progressions? Every topic different, but each other connected. First topic your sequence. Sequence is the arrangement of the numbers. Sequence is the arrangement of the number in definite order under the some rules. Yes, what is the definition here? The sequence is the arrangement of numbers in definite order according to some rules under the some rules. Any rules here, addition rules, square rules, cube roots, and subtraction rules, multiplication rule, division rule, anything are connected numbers. Numbers are connected each other in any rules here. According some rules means according under the some rules. Then our number will be no gap, without gap. No here कि first term or second term missing no. The sequence here without gap. Every term will be completed. Suppose example here 2, 4, 8, 16 and last term here 1024. Here first term is 4, first term is 2, second term here 4 and third term here 8. So what relation of the first, second, third term? If you multiply the 2 in the first term, then you get the second term. Similarly, when you multiply by 2 in second term, then you get the third term. Same rules here. When you multiply by in third term by 2, then you get the fourth term. So this sequence is the continuous. Means multiply by 2 rules you are applying. Multiply by 2 rules of in each term you will multiply by 2, then you get the next term. Suppose you have required the next terms here, so then how to write this? You will multiply this here 2, then you get this term. Same thing when you multiply by 2 here, then you get this term. Again when you multiply this term, then you get the next term. So you can find further terms according to rules of the previous numbers. Here multiplying 2. So here only a single example multiply 2. Sometimes multiply by 3, sometimes multiply by 4, sometimes divide by 2, sometimes divide by 3, sometimes addition of 2, sometimes subtraction of 2, sometimes addition of 10, sometimes subtraction of 10. So this is in this process is called the sequence. A sequence is the arrangement of number in definite order. Order here definite without any leaving any terms. Definite order according to some rules. So what rules applying here? Multiply by 2 rules applying here, or definite order means proper sequence 2, 4, 8, 16 and dash you can find the numbers. After that sequence, second number comes series. What is the series? A series is the connected by the sign by addition or subtraction in the sequence. When you addition and subtraction in the sequence, then you will get the series. Then you get the series. A series, some special type series here given. Example, first example here. Suppose any sequence given here A1, A2, A3, any number sequence here given till AN. This is a given sequence. This is the example of the sequence. But how to make it the series here? Suppose here add here A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus AN. This sequence converted in this series. This sequence. This is the example of sequence. But how to convert of this sequence in the series? When addition and otherwise you can subtraction. So then A1 plus A2 plus A3 that's AN. This sequence converted in this series. This sequence converted in this series. Second example, suppose you have the any natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 100, any no last digit given here, no last number here given here. So 1, 2, 3 and last number is not given here. N means maybe 100, maybe 1000, maybe lakh, maybe 2 lakh. Last number is not given means N. So what is the addition of this series? What is the addition of this? This is the short form of this series, the special type series. This rule not applying every series. This is a special type series. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the natural number without any gap. So this is the, suppose example you write here 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15. So this rule will be not implement here. This rule will be not implement here because this is not special series. This is not a special series because your number 1, 2, 3 is not given. 1, 2 is not here. 4 is not here. 6 is not here. 9 is not here. And 11, 12, 13, 14 means this is not a special series. This is the only addition. But here special series without any gap. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 6. A last number which you are required. Suppose 10 I have required. Yeah, 100 is required, 200 required, 500 required, then you write here last number here. The special series sequence, special series sum of this formula here, n plus 1 by 2. So how many n here, how many last digit here you, last number here, then you put here and then you find the one single step you get the answer. Second, suppose here addition of the square of the natural number. Addition, this is called the addition of the square of the natural number. So this is the 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus n square. This is the plus n square. So then what is the formula of this series? What is the formula of this series? n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. n into n plus 1 into 2n plus upon 2. 2n plus 1, this is not 2, 2n plus 1. This is the n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the formula or rules of this addition of this series. This is the rules of the formula of this series, addition of this series. So this is the only addition form, not subtraction form. So you can write two rules of the series. Any other series, some series are the square, cube, some similar here, sum of the cube of the cube of the natural number. There are different rules of this addition. This is a simple addition, rules is different. Square roots, square of the natural number rules are different. Similarly, cube of the natural number, addition of the cube natural number is the rule also will be different. So this is a not simple. This is a special series. This and this is a special series. That this rule not applying the other series. So you note down this. Then next. Yes, class. Next point here. Arithmetic progression. What is the arithmetic progression here? A series of the form a plus ad, a plus 2d dash 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 infinite is called an AP, where a is called this a is called the first term and this d is called the common difference. So this is the form of the arithmetic progression. First term is a, second term a plus d, third term a plus 2d, next term fourth term a plus 3d and dash dash dash, and this is last term is called the tn. The last term here called the tn. Now this is a, you can, agar suppose you are writing in this form here, okay, this is called t1, t2 and t3 dash dash dash, and this is the tn term. So the first term is called the a, second term is called the a plus d, third term is called the a plus 2d, and next fourth term is called a plus 3d, and last term tn. So what value of the tn? The tn term is called here a plus n minus 1d. This is called the tn term. This is the value of the tn term, a plus n minus 1d. First term is called a, second term is called here a plus d, third term a plus 2d, fourth term a plus 3d, fifth term a plus 4d, and last term tn term. Last term is called a plus n minus 1d. This is called the arithmetic progression. Suppose any series is come in this form. This series is name of this series is called the arithmetic progression. Next, arithmetic mean. What is the arithmetic mean? Suppose you have any two numbers, first term and second number. You are required any between any numbers are. This name of this number is called the arithmetic mean. Suppose you have the first number a, first term a, and second number here a plus d. Then any number you are insert in the between the first term and second term. This is called the arithmetic mean. Then that there are two numbers a and b. Then arithmetic mean equal to a plus b by 2. How to represent the arithmetic mean here? Arithmetic mean any two number. This is the and two numbers here. Those numbers are inserting between this. This is called the arithmetic mean. A first number, second number, or between number is called the arithmetic mean. This A, capital A is represented the arithmetic mean. This is a short form of the arithmetic mean. How to find this arithmetic mean? In this identity, A plus B by 2, then you get the arithmetic mean. So this is the short form of the arithmetic mean. And how to find the arithmetic mean? In this form, A plus in first term plus second term, you are adding them, then you subtract it, divided by 2. First term plus second term, when you divide by 2, then you get the value of the A. And what is the A here? This is A is called the arithmetic mean. You note down this, then next. Yes, then next point here, properties of the AP. The properties of the AP means suppose you have something given A and D values are given of the AP, then how to find of the APU. Suppose you will find the three numbers in AP only and A and D you have given, then how to find you? The A and D you have given, then A minus D you will minus D, then you will get the first term, A is the second term, and A plus D are third term. So you have, suppose you have find only three terms, then you will using this technique or this identity or this formula. Second, suppose you have required the only four numbers in AP. Four numbers in AP, how to find these four numbers? Only AP. A plus 3, A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, and A plus 3D. The A minus 3D is the first term, A minus D are second term, and A plus D are third term, and A plus 3D are fourth term. You have required only fourth term, then you will be using this identity when A and D you have given. Second, if you have required the n number of an AP, then A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and last A n minus 1D. Then you write this one. This is name of this identity is the general form of the AP. This is the general form of the AP. Name of this third number series is called the general form of an AP. This is the general form in AP. And this is only particular 3, this is only particular 4. Next, suppose you have general form of an AP given, first term and second term you have find the arithmetic mean is the A1. Second term and third you have getting the arithmetic mean A2. So then you will sum of the arithmetic mean A1 plus A2 plus A3 dash dash AN. These capital letters A is called the arithmetic mean of the AP. So the first A1 means arithmetic mean of the first two terms. A2 means arithmetic mean of the first and second. Third means A3 means arithmetic mean of the third and fourth term. In this sequence, sum of the arithmetic mean of AN. You will write the N. How many term you are given? N. Or arithmetic mean of the first term. A plus B by 2 means arithmetic mean of the first term. This is the arithmetic mean of the first term. When you multiply number of the term, then you will get here, means you can write also in this form here, equal an arithmetic mean of the first. A plus B by 2 means arithmetic mean of the first term, yeah, second term, yeah, third term. This will not matter. Any arithmetic mean, and you multiply number of the term, then you will get the total arithmetic mean. So then you write it in this form, otherwise in this form. Second, if three consecutive number ABC, suppose is three numbers already you have given, suppose three numbers you have already given, and you will find your if three consecutive number ABC are in AP, then what is the series of this 2b equal to A plus C. So then you will write here, suppose A, B, C. Then arithmetic mean of this, suppose three numbers are given. Then what is the arithmetic mean of this? We will write 2b equal to A plus C. Then you will write the 2b. So then arithmetic mean of this, the three numbers are AB. Then you will write that 2b equal to A plus C. A plus C. Then you can write here. So then note down you. Then next we will start the exercise. Yes, students. Question number first from exercise 9.1. Write the first five terms whose nth term is given. Any series are given, those series, the nth term of the series are given, you will be find only five terms of this series. First five terms. First, so yes, now start the solution. Here an equal to n plus 2. How many terms you find here? Five terms. Then you find the five terms here. So now n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here given, not 6, because you will find only the first five term, the first term, second term, third term, fourth term and fifth term. So you write only value of the n, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You will putting here one by one here, then you will get the answer. Now if n equal to 1, then a1 equal to 1, 1 plus 2, what result will come? 2 1 3 3 1 3. If n equal to 2, means first you are putting n equal to 1 here and putting the identity of this, n place you are putting 1. So 1 n place here 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1 3 or 3 1 3. The value of the first term is 3. Second, taking the 2 here, the a2 is equal to 2 and 2 plus 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8. 4 to 8. Second, taking 3, if n equal to 3, the a3 and 3 plus 2. The first 3 plus 2 is 5 or 5 3 are 15. 5 3 are, so this is the series, this is not AP. When you check the difference between here 5, but here not 5, here is 7. Here is not 5, this is not AP, this is only the series. And next, if n equal to 4, a4 equal to 4, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 4 is 24. And if last term here 5, the a5 equal to 5 and 5 plus 2 is equal to 5 plus 7, 7 5 is 35. So this is your first five term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term and fifth term. But this is only the series, this is not AP. Because AP having the common difference. AP, suppose you are having the A is the first term and D is the common difference. The common difference is every term having the equal common difference. So here common difference suppose 5, but here difference 7, here more than difference, here more than difference. But in every AP having the common difference is the same. But here this common difference is not same. It means this series is not AP, this is only sequence. Yes, note down it. Any question according this way you are finding the nth term is given, or you are finding the 2 term, 5 term, 10 term, 100 term, then you will putting the value here and then one by one you will find the every term of the series. Yes, note down it. Then next question. Yes, student, next question I am taking question number 7. Question 1 to 6 is the same kinds. Question number 7 is different kinds here. To find the indicated terms in each of the sequence whose nth term is given. Here the right given here the sequence. This is the sequence. Are here indicated term here A17 and A24. That means you will find the only given terms, 17th term and 24th term, not other term. First, second, third you will not find. 18, 19, 20 you will not find. You will find only there two terms. First year 17 term, second you 24 term. Simple things. You will find the finding method is the same like question number first. Now you are given a n equal to 4 n minus 3 and you are finding a 17 here means n equal to 17. That means a17 4 into 17 minus 3. When you calculate here 17 for the 68 minus 3, this answer here comes 65. 17 for the 68 at 68 minus 3 is 65. The value of the A17 here 65. Second answer your A24. N equal to 24, then the A24 equal to 4 into 24 minus 3. Same, this 24 you are putting here n place. N place you are putting 24, then calculate here. 4 4 is 16, 4 to the 8 9 minus 3 and 93. This is your second answer. This is your A24. According this way, suppose nth term you are given and any indicated term you are suppose 17 A100. Suppose you have required here A100. Suppose A100 also you have required. So how to find here A100? Same thing here, n place you are putting there. Now n equal to 100, then A100 equal 4 into 100 minus 3, 400 minus 3, so 397. This is your answer. So any number you are given, A100, n equal to 100, 400 minus 3, 397. According this way you will solve the every question though you are given the find the indicated terms. Indicated term you will find the every question in the according this way. Yes, no. Yes class, next question I am taking question number 13. This is a different type questions here. What is the difference? What is the question here? Find the first 5 terms. You will find only the first 5 terms. Nth term you are given and second answer you are obtain the corresponding series. Second and first answer you are find the first 5 terms. Second answer you are find the corresponding series of the 5 terms. And third things here, if first term and second term value are given 2 and nth term you are given a value of the n is greater than 2, it means a value of the n 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2 is not including here. It means your first term you are given A1 you are given 2, A2 you are given 2, A3, A4 and A5 you will be find. The 3 terms you will find here, 2 terms here given A1, A2 is equal to 2. Our value of the n here given greater than 2. Let us now start the solution. A1, A2 equal 2 and An equal An minus 1, An minus 1 and n greater than equal to 2 means value of the n equal 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the value of the n. Value of the n here in this is n minus 1 here. So when you putting the value of 3 here, then after then here 4 and after then here 5. Then you will getting the 3 steps of 3, 4, 5 here. Now n equal to 3, then A3 equal and 3 minus 1 equal to 2 or minus 1. what value of the A2 year? Value of the A2 year 3 minus 1 is 2. A2 value of the A2 year 2. So 2 minus 1 answer here 1. Value of the A3 year given. Value of the A3 year 1 and n equal to 4. A4 equal A4. The 4 minus 1 here 3. Then you will write here A3. A3 minus 1. What value of the A3 is 1 minus 1, result here 0. It means A4, A3, 4 minus 1 here 3, or value of the A3 here 1, value of the A3 is 1. Then you are putting here 1 minus 1, 0. And last, n equal to 5, A5 equal to A4 minus 1, or value of the A4 here 0, minus 1 is here minus 1. This is the value of the A5. First answer, find the first 5 terms. The first term, second term already given, third term answer here 1, fourth term answer here 0, a fifth term answer here minus 1. After that, you will find the second answer here, obtain the corresponding series. The corresponding series here here. First term, second term 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2. Third term here 1. Fourth term here 0. At last term here minus 1. Dash dash dash. Means you have the any other numbers here. Means then you will series. Series is not ending here because n is greater than 2. Here 3, 4, 5, 6 are not here limit given here. But then also no limit here, then also no limit here. Then first term, second term, third term, fourth term and fifth term, 6th, 7th term is not required here, then you put here dash dash dash. So according this way, every questions you will solve according this way. Those are given, suppose first term, first 5 term, first 10 term, first any terms here, and some terms will be given, nth term you are given, and corresponding series all you find. This is the corresponding series, and accordingly you find the terms of the series. The terms of the series, then your corresponding series of this, then you can find and then you note down it.